Good morning students. So today we have to see the next topic of introduction of trigonometry, that is the trigonometric identities. Okay. As far as our CBSE board exam is concerned, this topic is very important. So today we have to see in detail the trigonometric identities. Okay. So there are three basic trigonometric identities are given to you. Now we are going to see these three trigonometric identities. Suppose first is cos square a plus sin square a, which is equal to 1. Second, 1 plus tan square a is equal to sec square a. And third, 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. Okay, so these are the basic trigonometric identities are there. We are going to use these identities in solving the numericals. Okay, now first we have to see the proof of these trigonometric identities, how these trigonometric identities are came. Okay, now first we have to see the proof of first trigonometric identities. Suppose one right angle triangle is there, A, B and C. It is right angle at B, and these two are the acute angles. Okay, so in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Okay, so it becomes a right angle. So in that, by using the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square is there. Okay, so AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square is there. Okay, so now we have to divide. AC square by to the both side. Divide AC square to the both side. Now AC square is there, and here also AC square. BC square divided by AC square plus AB square upon AC square. Now we have to write AC square by AC square get cancelled, which is 1. BC by AC whole bracket square plus AB by AC whole bracket square. Now observe the triangle. BC by AC is which trigonometric ratio? And AB by AC is which trigonometric ratio? Now we have to see. BC by AC. Suppose I want to consider this C is acute angle. Consider C as a acute angle. So BC by AC क्या आएगा? BC is adjacent and it is opposite. तो BC by AC मतलब adjacent upon opposite. BC is adjacent of C and opposite is AB, and AC is nothing but the hypotenuse. Yes or no? So BC by AC is nothing but the cos A. Cos is opposite, adjacent क्या है? BC and opposite is AB. So BC by AB. No, here BC by AC is hypotenuse. No? So we want BC by AC. So adjacent upon hypotenuse means what? Which? BC by AC मतलब adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent upon hypotenuse, which trigonometric ratio is there? Cos A. So instead of this, I want to write here cos A, and square is there, cos square A. Now plus. Next, I want to check AB by AC. AB is opposite upon hypotenuse is sine. मतलब AB by AC, opposite upon hypotenuse means sine A. So instead of this I want to write here sine. So sine square A, which is nothing but. So our trigonometry first identity is proved here. Okay. Now for second, same ratios there, same procedure, same triangle we are going to use. Now by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. Now I want to divide for both sides. Divide. Here AC. Now I want to divide it with AB square to both sides. I want to divide the both sides of this equation by AB square. So it becomes AC square by AB square, BC square by AB square plus AB square by AB square. It get cancelled. Here AC by AB. Here BC by AB plus 1. Now AC by AB from triangle, AC hypotenuse by AB, hypotenuse upon opposite होगा ना, अगर C we have to consider, so AC by AB, AC is hypotenuse upon opposite, which hypotenuse upon opposite, cosec, AC by AB, which is cosec square A. Hypotenuse upon opposite. Why? Because sine A is opposite upon hypotenuse. तो साइन का उल्टा ही है ना ये कोसेक, तो ऊपर क्या जाएगा ऑपोजिट, नीचे हाइपोटेन्यूज आएगा, तो कोसेक स्क्वायर ए. नाउ BC by AB I want to calculate. BC by AB. So BC adjacent, AB opposite, adjacent upon opposite, cot square A plus 1. So it is my second trigonometric identity. I have written here this. Okay, so it is nothing but 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Now third is 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Now you have to solve this third. By which side we have to divide? So I got this third identity, you have to see now. Okay, so these are first, second and third. These are the very important and basic trigonometric identities. Cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A plus, now next 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Okay, now these three trigonometric identities I am going to use in the show that numericals. So these are the very important numericals we have to see now. Now we have to start from very basic numericals. Convert or express tan A, cos A and sec A in terms of sin. I want to convert tan A, cos and sec A in terms of sin. These three, 1, 2, 3. These three I want to convert in terms of sin. Suppose first is tan A. Okay, tan A we know that sin A upon cos A. Okay, I want to convert tan A in sin A only, but here cos is there, so cos I want to convert in sin A. So now sin A, cos A is 1 minus sin square A. cos A की वैल्यू क्या है? 1 minus sin square A. How? First identity cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. I want to calculate cos square A. Cos square A is becomes 1 minus sin square A. So cos square A is 1 minus sin square A, but I want only cos A, so 1 minus under root sin square A. So tan A is converted in total sin A. So I have expressed tan A in sin A. Understood? Now next, it is first, second, cos A. Cos A already we have converted. Cos A is nothing but under root 1 minus sin square A. Third, sec A. Sec is nothing but 1 by cos A, and cos A is 1 minus sin square A. So all trigonometric ratios, tan A, cos and sec A, I have expressed in terms of sin A only. This sin. So such type of small expressions or terms we are going to use in large numerical to show that numericals. Understood? Now we have to see such type of numericals. Show that one minus sin square theta is equal to into sec theta is equal to 1. Okay, it is question number 1 we are going to see now. Okay, so show that in first bracket 1 minus sin square theta into sec square theta is equal to 1. So I want to take LHS is equal to 1 minus sin square theta into sec square theta is. Now 1 minus sin square theta, I want to calculate its value. I know that reason I want to write here, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Here theta is nothing but the angle. Theta is nothing but the angle. So we have to use the any value. Sin A, sin B, sin theta. Okay, so don't get confused. Now sin cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. I want to calculate sin square. Sin square is remains here. So 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus, no, I want 1 minus sin square. So sin square theta here is remains only cos square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta, and here is sec square theta. So its reason is there. So you have to write the reason. Okay. Now cos square theta. I know the sec is reciprocal of cos. So 1 by cos square theta. So इसका reason cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. So cos get cancelled, and which is nothing but your RHS. So LHS and RHS are equal, hence proof. Okay, such type of simple numericals also asked. These are the show that numerical, and in that I have used the first trigonometric identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Understood all of you? Now next we have to see next numerical. from your exercise 8.4, prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta, which is equal to tan theta. Okay, very important numerical. We have to show that. Now I want to take LHS. LHS is there, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta upon 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta. So from numerator I want to take sin theta as common from numerator, sin theta. So inside bracket 1 is remains here, 2 sin square theta. Okay, 1 sin theta is outside. From denominator cos theta I want to take common. So here 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay. So sin theta upon cos theta, tan theta. Okay. Now here 1 minus 2 sin square theta and 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, and I want only tan theta. I want only tan theta. So these values I want to remove. So these two values I want to remove. So what we have to do here? What we have to do here? Tan theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Here I want to put the value of sin square theta. What is the value of sin square theta? 1 minus cos square theta. So I want to put there 1 minus 2. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Here 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, so it becomes tan theta into 1 minus. Okay, so how it becomes? Next, what we have to do? 1 minus 2. So I got the cos theta, but it is not a 2 cos square theta minus 1. It is 1 minus 2 inside bracket 1 minus cos square theta. So what we have to do now? What we have to do? Taking in bracket here. Next, ऊपर का 1 minus 2, 1 minus cos square theta. Now नीचे 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Okay, sign gets change. Here 2 cos square theta minus 1. I have written 1 minus 2 cos square theta. So minus sign where I want to write? Where minus sign is gone? माइनस साइन कहाँ चला जाएगा? हाँ, माइनस साइन बाहर आएगा ना इधर? यस और नो? ना ऊपर क्या रहेगा? tan थीटा इंटू ऊपर क्या रहेगा? 1 minus 2 into 1 2 minus plus minus, minus minus plus, minus minus plus 2 into cos, 2 cos square थीटा, ये माइनस माइनस यहाँ पर प्लस हो गया, नीचे 1 minus 2 cos square theta and outside minus is there. Okay, now tan theta into plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 2 cos square theta. Okay, now this minus I want to give inside, minus plus minus 1 minus minus plus 2 cos square theta. Okay, so these and these are same and get cancelled. So answer is, now last is tan theta is remained. So our LHS is tan theta. So it is LHS. So RHS and LHS are become equal. Okay. So such type of proof that show that numericals are asked based on the trigonometric identities. Understood? Now next numerical we have to see from your exercise 8.4. Show that one plus sin A upon sec A, sorry, 1 minus sin A, which is equal to sec A plus tan A. Question number 6 from your exercise 8.4. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to take first LHS. LHS is 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A. Okay. So we have to solve this and prove that LHS which is equal to RHS. Now inside the square root, we have to multiply 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A. Here is minus, so we have to multiply 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A to the numerator and denominator. Okay, we have to multiply these by 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A. So inside the bracket it remains 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, it becomes 1 plus sin A bracket square. In denominator 1 plus 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A means A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square. Yes or no? So here reason A minus B, A plus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. Reason. Now 1 plus sin square A. I have given square root separately. 1 minus sin square A. So its square and square root get cancelled. Now remain 1 plus sin A and niche 1 minus sin square A. Okay. Now LHS is becoming, I know the value of denominator under root 1 minus sin square is cos square A, cos A. Okay, so ऊपर 1 plus sin A upon cos A. The value of this cos A, which is nothing but under root 1 minus sin square A. Yes or no? So instead of this, under root 1 minus sin square is equal to cos A. So denominator gives separately 1 by cos A plus sin A upon cos A. So 1 by cos A is sec A and sin A upon cos is
Tan.
tan A. So I have got RHS. So RHS is here. So LHS and RHS are equal. So our numerical is proved. Understood all of you? So very simple. Only trigonometric identity, some basic algebra we are going to use to solve such type of numericals. Okay. So remaining numerical you have to solve under the exercise 8.4. Okay. Thank you.